Hello friends, in today's question, a particle of mass m moving in x direction with a speed 2v is hit by another particle of mass 2m moving in y direction with speed v. If the collision is perfectly inelastic, the percentage loss of energy during the collision is close to. So we have two particles, one is moving in x direction, another one is moving in y direction, and we are supposed to find out the energy loss when the collision is perfectly inelastic. So let us say, as we are given two particles, so you can say for first particle, its mass is given as m1, which is nothing but equal to m, and initial velocity is given as u1, which is equal to 2vi, because it is moving in x direction. And for second particle, suppose its mass is given as m2, which is equal to 2m, and in this case the initial velocity let us suppose is equal to u2, which is given as v, and in j direction, so this will be, in y direction, so unit vector j. So it is also given that their collision is perfectly inelastic. You can say for collision is perfectly inelastic. So both masses will combine together and move with the same velocity. Therefore, the velocity of the system means particle 1 plus particle 2, let us suppose it is given as capital V. So we can use conservation of momentum. Conservation of momentum, you can say before collision momentum will be equal to after collision momentum. So before collision momentum will be equal to m1 u1 for particle 1, m2 u2 for particle 2, and after collision both will be moving together. It means particle 1 plus particle 2, and common velocity is given as v. Forgot to mark as a vectors. Now we put the value. M1 is m, and u1 is 2vi plus m2 is 2m, and u2 is vj, and this will be equal to m plus 2m multiplied by v vector. So here m and cancel throughout, so we get this as v vector will be equal to 2 by 3 times v, and I unit vector plus j unit vector. From here we can find out magnitude. You can say magnitude is equal to 2 by 3v 1 square plus 1 square, and v is equal to 2 root 2 divided by 3v. Now it is given loss of the energy. So the only energy that will be present will be the kinetic energy. So you can say that initial kinetic energy will be equal to, suppose Ki, which is equal to kinetic energy of particle 1 plus kinetic energy of particle 2. Therefore, we can say Ki will be equal to half m to v square plus half 2m v square. So we can say Ki will be coming equal to, this will be 2 to 4 and 2 cancels out, so this will be 2 and this will be 2 cancel out directly, so this will be 3m v square. And final kinetic energy Kf will be equal to half the mass combined together, so this will be 3m and we have v square, and we already know, we substitute it here, we get this as Kf is equal to half 3m and this v came as 2 root 2 v divided by 3 whole square. So we get K final will be equal to, this will be coming as 2 and 2 4 divided by 3m v square. We are supposed to find out the percentage loss of kinetic energy. Percentage loss of kinetic energy during collision, let us suppose given as Ke percentage will be equal to K initial minus K final divided by K initial. We substitute the value all the values. K initial is 3mv square, so this we get 3mv square minus 4 by 3mv square divided by 3mv square. V square and v square goes away, so this we are left with only, this will be 9 minus 4 divided by 9. Percentage will be equal to 9 minus 4 divided by 9, so this will be 5 upon 9, and approximately that will be coming as percentage will be equal to 0.56, so 56%. So 56% means option number B is the correct answer. Option B is correct option. This completes the question. Thank you.